Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I created this beautiful makeup look, and if you'd want to see how I achieve this look, please keep on watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Now let's get into the video. Okay, so I started off by cleaning my face with my cotton pad and my micellar water. The importance of cleaning your face before every makeup application can never be overemphasized, because you need to get off all those dirt, all those build-up of oil on your face before you have to have a clean canvas before you go into your skin prep. So cleaning the face is a very important step in every makeup application. Next, I went in with my hydrating spray from Kiss Beauty. This is my go-to hydrating spray, and I make sure I hydrate my face properly. So to further hydrate my face, I went in with my hydrating serum from Blossom Cosmetics. I didn't record it, but yeah, that's what I'm using. So skin prep is not a one size fits all kind of thing, but hydration and moisturization are the basic steps of every skin prep, no matter the kind of skin type you have, whether you have an oily skin or not. I have an oily skin, but I'll still moisturize and hydrate my face before I go in with the particular type of primer my skin needs. So I applied my lip balm before I went in with my primer. I'm using this primer from Art Makeup. It's a very nice, good primer for oily skin. It mattifies the skin and it blurs out pores. In case you have pores on your face, it helps to blow out pores from your skin. It's a blurring primer too. So yeah, that's what I used. Then before I went in with my foundation. So for foundation, I'm using sylvimak foundation and superstay, maybelline superstay, and they are both matte foundations. But because my skin, like, overall I have oily skin like everywhere, it's not just my T-zones, everywhere, so I decided to use a total matte foundation. But doesn't mean that you can't mix your foundation with a little drop of what's it called, a hydrating or a non-mattifying foundation. But I prefer using a matte foundation throughout, because I oil up real quick. So for contour, I think I use the sylvimak foundation too, and I'm a soft contour girl. I don't like doing too much with my contour. I think 2 shades darker is enough for me. I don't like an overly dramatic contour, I just want that little warmth, so I just add warmth around my cheekbones, and that's it for me. Even on my clients too, I don't really like a very hard contour. As you can see, keeping everything soft and simple. So next, I'm going in with my blush. I'm using my blush. My blush is from this popular eye magic palette. If you're a makeup artist, you know this. So yeah, I'm using the pink shade from the eye magic palette. That's my go-to for fair skin, yellow skin. Yeah, so that's what I'm using. And if you are not incorporating blush in your makeup application, you are wrong. Just look at how beautiful my skin is looking with the blush. So yeah, blush adds warmth to your skin. It gives your makeup this vibrant look, and yeah, you should be using blush in your makeup application. So I went in with my concealer from Flawless Ivy Cosmetics, yes, to highlight my face. So that's basically what I'm doing. Now to blend my concealer, after applying, I like to leave the places under the eye to get tacky a bit, to gain coverage before I go in to blend it. So I'm blending the other parts, the forehead, the chin, and the nose, and I'll blend my under eye last, as you can see. So while blending, make sure if you're using a beauty sponge, you already know your beauty sponge is supposed to be damp, not wet, damp. And I'm trying to do this elevated eye look, you know. That's what's trending now, and I really love doing it. I think somebody was trying to hype me up. Well, so you keep on blending, blend like your life depends on it. Blend properly. That's the key to a flawless makeup look. Like, you blend and make sure that there are no harsh lines anywhere you get. Like, everything has to marry well with each other. That's the secret to a flawless makeup look. Okay, so I'm going in with a lighter shade of concealer. This concealer is from Art Cosmetics to Art Makeup, so I'm using it at the inner corners of my eyes to further brighten my eyes. Like, I want my under eye to pop. Then next, I went in with my setting powder to set my under eye. So this is me setting properly to make sure that my under eye doesn't crease or break along the way, or maybe after I'm done with the makeup. So I go in with maybe 2 or 3 layers of setting powders, yeah, then before I set the rest of my face. So now I'm setting my face with my powder palette. I'm sorry I'm not showing the products I'm using, but I used this Beecharm Ageless Cosmetics powder palette. It's a very nice powder palette, so that's what I'm using to set the other parts of my face. Then I went in to reinforce the contour, you know, the cream contour we did earlier. Here I'm trying to reinforce the contour. So I'm contouring my cheekbones, the 2 sides of my chin, my temple, around my forehead, just places that I need the warmth. Then I went in with my powder blush to further reinforce the cream blush we did earlier, because we don't want to lose the blush. Yeah, so up next, I'm baking my face. Yeah, baking is just applying your setting powder a little bit more than how you applied it when you were setting. For eyeshadow, I'm using my Benign Clown White eyeshadow primer or base to I'm blending it in. Then I went in with my sylvimak palette. For the love of God, I don't know why I'm using this color. I don't really love, like, on myself, I don't like bright colors, but I was trying, maybe I was in my creative mode, so I actually used that red color as my transition color before I went in with a darker red, more like a purple, yes, to further deepen my crease. My eyeshadow was a very simple one, just the transition color, the purple, and the this color, what would I call this color now? Wine, yeah, reddish wine on my main crease, and that was just what I did. Then I went in with my Tehila Cosmetics gel liner to line my eyes. Guys, you guys should not sleep on this gel liner. It's really nice and it's waterproof. Then to the brows, I've tamed my brows with my brow tamer. Then I started outlining. This is a very simple makeup. Like, I did not even I don't think, no, yeah, I did not conceal my brows. I just outlined it and left it like that. That's me for you. I don't do too much with my makeup, honestly. Once I get what I want, I'm off. Yeah, so I outlined. After outlining, I filled up my brows, and that was it. So now I'm lining my lips. Lining my lips with the OG Davis pencil, the brown basic Davis pencil in 03. Yes, that's what I'm using to line my lips. Okay, now I'm blending out the liner, the lip liner I used earlier, and then I'm applying my pink shade from the same Eye Magic palette. I didn't take too much, just a very little amount of pink. Then I'm blending it into the brown shade I used to line my lips. Then I make sure there are no demarcations between the two colors. And then I went in with my gloss, my lip gloss, the regular absolute lip gloss. That's what I'm using here. So I applied a brighter shade of pink, a pink gloss at the center of my lips to brighten up the lip. And then we're almost done with the makeup. I dusted off the face. I was using my Milani powder, the one I'm holding in my hands. So that was what I was using to finish up the makeup. Then I set my face. I sprayed generously and my mascara came last. And that's basically it for this look. I hope you love this look. Please let me know what you think about this look in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and come back for more videos. I love you guys so much. Thank you for sticking with me. Until next time, bye.